Are you happy, Stephen? What? Are you happy, Stephen? It's the question that Christine Palmer asked me at her wedding. I said, yes, of course I'm happy. I'm a sorcerer with the power of gods. What man wouldn't be happy? And then I came back to this goddamn haunted house, sat down, and wondered why I'd lied.